starting the week with aerial sports was perfect. We did climbing, ziplining, and leap of faith. All of these aerial sports were done at least 50 feet above the ground, so for anyone who has a fear of heights, including me, this was the scariest part of all the activities. But getting to climb to the top of the climbing wall, fly past trees still wet with dew, and zipline for 3/4 of a mile over the reserve made overcoming that fear completely worth it.
Big zipping in 3, 2, 1.
If you tell someone how dangerous something is, they'll never want to do it. But what I learned about mountain biking at Summit is the bigger the risk, the bigger the adrenaline rush. Even though I had gone mountain biking before, I had never done something this extreme. And when my crew made it to the top of the hill and started racing downwards, that's when my heart really leapt into my throat. The adrenaline kicked in, and I realized that there's not much difference between being terrified and being excited when you're mountain biking.
We're closer to heaven.
I had never ridden a BMX bike before I rode one at Summit, so the feeling of flying over my handlebars head first was a little shocking. And the hardest part about falling is picking yourself up and trying again. But I grabbed my bike and newly fixed helmet and walked to the top of the 30-foot ramp and tried again.
Before our troop went to Summit, I'd never actually had the chance to shoot a real gun before. So stepping up in the range, I was a little nervous. But that first trigger press on the shotgun was so exhilarating. The whole experience at Bows and Barrels was just an amazing opportunity for me to attempt something completely new, and to find out how I really like it.
closed off from all that I could become. Eager but too scared to climb. Wanted to please my friends, but it felt like the end of myself. I was shut down and all drained out. I was lost, so I had to change. Yeah, I shook off all the bad vibes, cut me loose from the pettiness they turned on me. But now I am perfectly free to be me. They think that I have lost my mind, that I'm not being true, but they don't have a clue. 'Cause this is me when I cut out all the shallowness and everything I suppressed to fit in a small frame. But I won't play your game anymore, so I had to change. Yeah, I'm gonna.
There was something one of the staff members said that really stuck with me. He asked us what a summit was. We answered a peak or a mountain, and he said, no, a summit is what you choose it to be. Something I've truly taken from my time here at the summit and throughout scouting is that what the summit is doesn't always matter. What matters is the journey you take to get there, the challenges you face, and the people you meet along the way. And I really couldn't have asked for a better group of people to share this incredible experience with.